Yeah, Slack is kind of like like if you were all in an office together and you were like opening doors and talking to people and shutting doors and walking to the next office, like in your daily workflow, we kind of like visualize Slack as like our office space. Like, all right, walking to the next room, checking in on people here. Whereas Trello is kind of your, I don't know, like the boardroom with the strategy on the wall, right? Like this is what you're doing today. This is the goal of the company. So we use it in those ways. And I guess since you said three, I love Zoom. I know Zach, you and I kind of had an exchange over Skype versus Zoom, but it is what it is. Um, that's really important when you work remotely. Like you've got to have FaceTime with people, and so getting on camera and having meetings, even if they're quick, just daily syncs, can make all the difference. You've got people who feel disconnected easily. You have, there's a lot of verbal cues and body language and all those types of things that are really, really important.